Hello IntelliScientist, welcome to the Alan IntelliBrain. We are here to perform the Intelli activity to find the highest common factor, which is also called the HCF of two given numbers. To perform this activity, we are going to need the following material from our Intelli Smart Box. Take out the HCF base sheet, the red and the yellow tokens from the factors and multiples kit of your Intelli Smart Box. Lay out the HCF base sheet on a table. Keep yellow tokens on the side of the first number section and the red tokens on the side of the second number section. Let us find the highest common factor of the number 4 and the number 10. Here is what we need to do. Take the first number as 4 and the second number as 10. Place yellow tokens equal to the first number in the circles given in the first number section. We will place 4 yellow tokens equal to the first number in the first number section. Now place the red tokens equal to the second number in the circles given in the second number section. We will place 10 red tokens equal to the second number in the second number section. Now we are ready to find the HCF of the number 4 and the number 10. Count and observe the section which has lesser number of tokens. In this case, we have 4 tokens in the first number section and 10 tokens in the second number section. We will remove the count of tokens in the section with the lesser number of tokens from the section with the greater number of tokens. We will remove 4 tokens from the second number section. In order to find the highest common factor, we need to repeat the procedure till both the sections have equal number of tokens. Now the first number section has 4 tokens and the second number section has 6 tokens. Again, the first number section has lesser number of tokens than the second number section. 4 is less than 6. We will again remove 4 tokens from the second number section. Now again observe the section which has lesser number of tokens. Now we can see that the second number section has 2 tokens and the first number section has 4 tokens. 2 is less than 4. We will remove 2 tokens from the first number section this time. Now we can see both the sections have equal number of tokens. The first number section and the second number section have 2 tokens. And this is our desired answer. The number 2 is the highest common factor of the number 4 and the number 10. The number of tokens on either side of the HCF base sheet after getting equal number of tokens on both sides is the highest common factor of two given numbers. Now let us identify the highest common factor of two prime numbers. We will find the HCF of the number 7 and the number 11. Let us take the first number as 7 and the second number as 11. We will place 7 yellow tokens equal to the first number in the first number section. We will place 11 red tokens equal to the second number in the second number section. Now we will observe the section which has lesser number of tokens. The first number section has 7 tokens and the second number section has 11 tokens. The first number section has lesser tokens than the second number section. 7 is less than 11. We will remove 7 tokens from the second number section. Now we can see that the second number section has 4 tokens and the first number section has 7 tokens. The second number section has lesser tokens than the first number section. 4 is less than 7. Now we will remove 4 tokens from the first number section. This time the first number section has 3 tokens and the second number section has 4 tokens. 3 is less than 4. We will remove 3 red tokens from the second number section. Now the second number section has lesser number of tokens than the first number section. 1 is less than 3. This time we will remove 1 token from the first number section. Again, the second number section has lesser tokens than the first number section. 1 is less than 2. We will remove 1 token again from the first number section. Now we can see that both the sections have only 1 token left. Both the sections have equal number of tokens. 1 is the highest common factor of the number 7 and the number 11. And like this, the highest common factor of 2 prime numbers is always the number 1. We know after doing this activity, you will have gained the expertise in the following concepts: understanding and identification of the highest common factor of 2 given numbers. The highest common factor of 2 prime numbers is always the number 1. Now you can choose more pairs of numbers to find their highest common factor and do it yourself. Visualize maths with IntelliBrain and fall in love with learning.